Nicknamed as infrastructure giant, Chinese construction speed is absolutely staggering. 8 hours to dismantle a bridge, 9 hours to modernize railway station, 10 hours to build a new hospital. The striking speed benefits from the application of modern industrial automation technology and relevant equipment. In some sites, various engineering machinery can be seen, like tower crane, excavator, bridge crane and etc., of which construction lift is used for carrying people and cargo. Construction lift can be divided into shaft type and external hanging type according to its installation method. The shaft type is often used in high building construction and installed inside building, with lower noise and high safety factor. It resembles elevator. However, the external hanging type is installed outside the building and usually works with tower crane. Because of the harsh site environment, the lift control system should be safe and stable enough. Hpmont MTCC-SST construction lift control panel is tailored to the shaft type. Its protection level is IP3, and it has built-in cooling fan. Canopy can be mounted externally to combat climate change. The max speed reaches to 2.5 meters per second, greatly enhancing work efficiency. As for safety regulation, the driver is supposed to do face recognition before operating. IOT Module is optional for the panel. The user could remotely check the real-time lift state via PC, which is convenient for timely maintenance. Leakage protection switch is also mounted to realize over-voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection to ground. Hpmont HD30L inverter is suitable for external hanging type. The machine itself adopts small volume design that can save space for the electrical cabinet. During the up or down of the lift, the inverter would output brake signal when it reaches the brake requirement, realizing protection function. It also has weighing function that the inverter can directly connect the external weighing sensor to realize overload protection.